Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Phonics A to Z. A is for airplane. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. B is for books. 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 C is for candle. 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 D is for doll. 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 E is for ear. 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 F is for fan. 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 G is for gun. 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 H is for hat. 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 I is for igloo. 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 J is for jellyfish. 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 K is for kangaroo. 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 L is for lamp. 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 M is for mouse. 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 N is for nest. 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 O is for octopus. 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 P is for pen. 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 Q is for quail. 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 R is for ribbon. 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 S is for star. 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 T is for turtle. 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 U is for uncle. 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 V is for village. 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 W is for wheel. 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 X is for xylophone. 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 Y is for yo-yo. 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 Z is for zebra. Zebra. Zebra.